Looking to enable autoplay videos on cellular while using X, Twitter, on your PC? Follow these straightforward steps to customize your autoplay settings. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of your Twitter page. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears to access your account settings. Under the section labeled Accessibility, Display and Languages, find and click on Data Usage. Within the data usage settings, locate and click on Autoplay. Here, select the option for autoplay specifically on cellular data. By following these steps, you can ensure that videos autoplay seamlessly on your Twitter feed when using cellular data on your PC. Take control of your video autoplay preferences and enhance your Twitter browsing experience by configuring autoplay settings on cellular data. Stay connected and entertained while managing your data usage effectively. Enjoy a personalized Twitter experience with customized autoplay settings on your PC.